conquer Alaska and into the future. Let's get started. Whew. Here we go. And here comes again with the squirrels! Squirrels! Die! Oh no. Yay! Oh! Yes. And yeet them again! Great job! Oh, alright, we're doing pretty good so far. We're doing pretty good so far. Ooh. Alien dojis. Alright, let's level up and get my giant robot out here. Twin Stars just finished them off. Oh! That's a weird combination between a walrus and an alien walrus. Yes, that is the weirdest combination. I mean, a red walrus don't stand a chance. Goodbye. Bahamut go. Compared to an alien walrus, it's a lot different. When he attacks your cats, he will stop running them. Of course, he will stop running them. I'm not kidding. I'm not joking at all. I'm not even joking. Okay, this is the entire freaking strategy. The entire freaking strategy. Okay, Bahamut, go. Oh, you missed. Oh God, no. Whoop! I'm getting a lot closer. Yes! Great job, Bowtie. Let's go. Stop them. Oh, sorry for that. Spit. Alright, let's go. And he's dead. So dead. Boom. Oh, okay. Alright, let's destroy their base. Let's go. Let's just go and destroy their freaking base. Waboo! Yes. Yeah. Those juicy ones. Yeah, we did it. We so did it. Yes. So what's next, huh? So we're moving from Alaska to Canada. Well, that's pretty good. So, yay! I'm gonna end this video right here, guys. If you guys want to see some more Battlecats videos, make sure you subscribe or some other videos. And I'll see you next time.